Today we will introduce you our new arrival RC-based fishing boat. This is the boat. Controller with hanging rope, charger, and a boat antenna. Let's install the antenna. And open the container cover. You can see the line and connect the power supply. Turn on the switch. You can see all lights on. It means that full power. And charge the battery with the charger. And the battery is built into the boat. And here has a handle for you to take it easy and don't need any bag. And you can see that in metal ABS plastic material and very fun. And the body is streamlined and waterproof. And it also has anti-wind level 3 to 4. For this boat, we have two separate base container design, and for one, the size is big. You can see that the length is about 16 centimeters. The width is 9 centimeters, and the height is about 4 centimeters. You can take the box as an example. You can turn it easily. Let's show you how to remote control the container. Open the first container. Open the other. And when you want to close the container, wait for seconds until the magnetic come out and close the container with your hand. And there are two spongy cushions. It's to moderate the impact when open the container. Let's put in the bait into the container. Let's start to run the boat in the water. You can hear that there is no any sound when it is running. You can see that when open the bait container, the boat can keep still. Besides, it has no any sounds, very quiet, and do not scare any fish. Let's show you how to remote control the boat. There are two buttons for light. The left one is for burst fraction. The right one is to keep fraction. Go forward. Go backward. Turn left. Turn right. Let motor acceleration and deceleration. Right motor acceleration and deceleration. You can see that there are two motors with propeller guards. Let's see the boat in the water. You can see the motor power is very strong. Now 2 hours passed. You can see it has a long control time.